This is the question we are given. Product rule. Why is it product? Yes, even if you are not told that it's product, you should know that this is product. There's x here, 5x, u. There's also x here, v. U is a function of x, v is a function of x. So from here now, which means I will now say my u is what? 5x. My v is what? X plus what? 1 over x squared. But you cannot differentiate in this form. 1 over x squared means what? X raised to the power of minus 2. It will now be x plus, instead of writing 1 over x squared, it will be x raised to the power of minus 2. I'm still writing this. From here, I will now say du over what? Over dx. Because in product rule, you have to generate du over dx and dv over dx before you can solve it. So I'm differentiating u here with respect to x. If I differentiate u, it will give me 5 because differential of x is 1. 5 times 1, 5. From here, for the other one, I will generate dv over dx, which means I'm differentiating v with respect to x. If I differentiate x, it will give me 1. If I differentiate x raised to the power of minus 2, it will give me minus 2x raised to the power of minus 3. Minus 2x raised to the power of minus 3. That is minus 2 times plus minus 2. Remove 1. That is minus 3. So I can now know that therefore dy over what? Dy over dx. Now using formula for products equal to what? U dv over what? Dx plus what? V du over what? Over dx. So from here now, dy over what? Dy over dx. Just slot in the values. What's our u? 5x. You can say bracket, that is times. What is dv ds? Our dv ds is what? 1 minus what? 2x raised to the power of minus 3. You close it. Plus v. What's our v? X plus x raised to the power of minus 2. What is du ds? Our du ds is ordinary 5. Just write 5. That is times 5. So dy over what? Over dx will now be 5x bracket. Since this is a negative power, we can talk it and turn it to it can be like this actually, but because of the negative, we can make it to be over. That is 1 over 1 minus 2. The x raised to the power of minus 3 will come down over x power 3. I'm still writing this. I close it. We are following the principle of indices. For this one also, I can say plus 5. The 5 can be outside here. Bracket x. This negative power can be 1 over plus what? 1 over x squared. From here, there is nothing common. Although 5 is common, we can say 5 is common. If you like, we can stop like this. Then we can also go further if you like. That dy over dx, 5 is common to both. We can say 5 bracket x, then 5 in 5x, remaining x, and this, Abi, 1 minus what? 2 over what? X cube. You close it. I factorize 5 out. Plus what? Plus x plus 1 over, plus s, because 5 in 5, just 1 times this, x plus 1 over x squared. Then it means we have factorized everything in a bracket since 5 is common. In fact, I can still go extra mile. That is product rule. If you like, you can stop here. If you like, you can still expand. So we can stop here. That's our final answer for product rule. Now, let's go to question 3. For question 3, we are given y equal to this, as you can see. Now, this is a function of x, function of x. So our u is what? 3x squared minus 2x. And our v is what? X minus 2 all squared. Using product rule, you have to generate du over what? Dx from here. I'm differentiating u with respect to x. This will give me what? 6x. This will give me what? Minus 2 du dx. Now for dv dx, if you look at the nature of v is not ordinary function but a composite. So I will now use shortcut of composite function, that is chain rule. I will differentiate, if I differentiate the contents, if I differentiate x minus 2, it will give me 1. Multiply it by the power 2. Write the question back, x minus 2. Then remove 1 from the power. So it will now be what? 2 bracket what? X minus 2. So I can now move on that according to product rule, dy over what? Dx is equal to du dv dx plus what? V du dx. What is our u? Please note, in mathematics, addition is commutative according to law of commutativity. It can be v du dx plus u dv dx. It's like saying a plus b. It can also be what? B plus a. This one can come before this, or this come before this. Both is correct. Note. So our u is what? 3x squared minus 2x. Our dv dx is what? There is 2, you can put the 2 outside here. In fact, the 2, okay, let me write it like this. Bracket 2 bracket what? X minus 2. The 2 is outside here. This is u dv dx plus v. What is my v? X minus 2. All what? All squared. I'm following formula. What is du dx? My du dx is what? 6x minus 2. Close the brackets. So as you can see, it can be equal to, these 2 can be outside here, outside, because this is a product. It will be 2 brackets, what? 3x squared minus 2x. Let me use this side. Let me use here. So from here, my dy over what? Dx can be, as you can see here, as you can see. So it will be what? Since this 2 is outside, I can take it out. 2 brackets what? 3x squared minus what? 2x, I close it, and what? X minus 2 plus what? X minus 2 all squared. Let me write it here because of space, plus x minus 2 all squared bracket what? 6x minus 2. You can't stop here. That is mathematics. You have to look at the nature of your answer. I observed that x minus 2 is here, x minus 2 is here. It's common. I can factorize out. So dy over what? Dx will be equal to, what is common here is x minus 2, x minus 2. So x minus 2 is common. I factorize it out, bracket. If I factorize x minus 2 out here, it will give me what? 2 bracket what? 3x squared minus 2x, close it. Now, if I factorize x minus 2 out here, it will remain x minus 2 in one place, which means, don't forget there is plus here. Plus what? X minus 2 in one place, and what? 6x minus 2. As we can see, everything closed. I factorize x minus 2 out in this, remaining 2 and this, as you can see. I factorize x minus 2 out here, remaining x minus 2 and what? 6x minus 2. So which means dy over what? Over dx will now be x minus 2. I can open the brackets. It will now be what? 2 times that is 6x squared. 2 times minus 2x minus 4x. Now, this and this, they are in form of products. Don't forget, this time, that is this times this. X, if I want to deal with algebraic expansion, I will expand it. X, we multiply everything here. X times 6x. That is what? 6x squared. X times minus 2. Minus what? 2x. Minus 2 times 6. Minus 12x. Minus 2 times minus 2. Plus 4. Then close it. So dy over what? Over dx will now be x minus 2, close it, brackets. As you can see, 6x squared is common. That is bracket 12x squared. We collect like terms, or you can even collect like terms direct. That is 6x squared plus 6x squared minus 4x minus 2x minus 12x plus 4. So from here, dy over what? Dy over dx equal to x minus 2, you close it. 6x squared plus 6x squared, 12x squared. Minus 4x minus 2x minus 12x. That is minus 18x plus what? Plus 4. This is the end of the solution for dy over dx. If you stop here, partially correct. If you stop here, partially correct. But if you stop here, this is the final solution for this question. That's all. So thank you very much for watching.